And so let's face it, Kansas City's long winters and spring storms, they may not have been kind to the outside of your home, or perhaps you're just looking to boost your home's curb appeal or energy efficiency. Owner of Energy Pro, Eric Runkle, shares why there's no better time than right now to invest in new siding. Eric, if we're looking to make a big change to the outside of our home, why should we pick siding?
According to Remodelers Magazine, siding is going to give you a return of about 92.8%. So that's probably the biggest benefit for replacing your siding. Probably the most fun benefit of replacing your siding is just to give your house a facelift. And within that, you can also completely change the look of your home. So you can go from a board and bat type of style siding, and you can change that to a horizontal lap. And there's many different profiles of horizontal lap. You can also change the architectural features on your home. So that's another huge benefit of replacing your siding. But the number one reason people probably replace their siding is because of wood rot and damage. They can look at their homes, they can see that the siding is starting to get weathered and old and fall off the house.
Is there also a way to get a different type of siding that can benefit your efficiency?
Oh, absolutely. Every single type of siding is going to help improve your home efficiency. And simply by the first thing we're going to do, no matter what style of siding you do, is we're going to put a house wrap around your house. It's going to keep your wind and your rain out. And from there, we have many options of insulation that we can add to your home before we apply the siding, which is going to improve your R value on your home, and it's going to lower your heating and cooling bills.
And maybe if you don't want to do a lot of maintenance.
There are many products out there. Most of the products that we're using now on the market, no matter what they are going to come with a 20 to 35-year warranty. You're not going to have to worry about maintenance for a long time. There are certain types of products that are going to be no maintenance, and there are going to be some products that are going to be light maintenance, but almost all the products are going to come with a long warranty, and you're not going to have to worry about that anymore.
Okay, boosting your curb appeal and low maintenance, I'm sold. So let's kind of run through some of the types you have here.
Well, we could do everything from steel siding. We do vinyl siding. We have James Hardie, which is a cement fiber siding, and we have wood composite siding, and we do traditional wood siding.
Okay, and what are some of the benefits and features of the different types?
Well, vinyl is going to be absolutely no maintenance. Okay, we also have vinyl products that already come with a factory installed insulation backing, which is going to give you lower your utility bills the most and give you the most R value out of any of the other products. Vinyls come a long way through the years. A lot of the new products out there come with great warranties, and they look more like your wood products. Your fiber cement, your James Hardie, is probably the most popular product that is being used on the open market right now. The benefits that you get from that are its insect resistance, it's fire retardant, it doesn't swell and expand with moisture, and again, you're going to get pre-finished product that once it goes on your house, it looks brand new, and it's going to be very low maintenance.
Okay, so it sounds very functional and like it hits the latest design trends.
Oh, absolutely. We can do it, like I said, we can do anything from a batten board to a shake shingle. That's what we're standing here in front of this wall. You can do veneer stone. We can do flat panels for the modern look. We also have a stucco panel. So if you want to have the stucco look without the real stucco, we can go with the stucco panel.
And if you're trying to get the most energy efficiency, what color would we want to go with?
You're going to want to go with the lighter color. The lighter colors are going to be much more energy efficient than your darker colors. Your darker colors are going to absorb the sun.
Okay, and if somebody wanted to be on a payment plan or some sort of financing?
Oh, absolutely. We have for a couple different financing programs.
Man, Eric had a lot of product selection right there. For more information, you can call Energy Pro at 816-331-7403 or 913-390-9000. Or to view some of those products up close, go to energyprowindows.com.